This is another free tool. It's called Meta Description Generator. And in this tool, you can create a meta description for your product, even your product title, URL, and slugs. And when you start this tool, you get some input field which are already populated. All you have to do is change this input field and get your updated Google view. And here you can see there are two variants. One is called desktop and another is called mobile. Hitting the mobile button will create the mobile view of Google View. And here, character, title, and description. Character limit is also updated based on chosen viewport. And as you can see, this meta description, the example meta description is long of a mobile viewport, and therefore it needs to be updated. So what can you do is that you simply generate it with AI. It will give you 4 or 5 examples. Take one which is less than 120 characters. Let's put it a cotton t-shirt, which is the focus keyword for this product title. And let's generate a playful type of meta description. Hit the generate button and it will create 5 or 6 meta description. And as you can see, there are multiple types. We need less than 120 here, and I think all of them are less than 120. I will choose this one because it is close to 120 characters. There is a little bug. I need to update that. I will fix that problem soon. And here you can change your site URL and URL slug. That will be shown over here. And you can also copy this meta tag. The meta tag is generated based on your title, description, Twitter card, Twitter title, Twitter description. You copy this and paste it into your Shopify theme SEO setting. You can also use this in other tools like WordPress, but I think they handle it on their own. And you can also show data prefix. Sometimes Google scrap this value from your own page source code, and they show that over here. So if you want to take an exact view of your blog pages on Shopify, you can enable that toggle. And this was a single mode. There's also a bulk mode. In the bulk mode, I have also given one example. There are 3 products, and it is in the format of CSV, that is comma set separated values. Each column is separated by comma. First is the product title, cotton t-shirt, second is a candle, and third one is a bottle. And their descriptions are created. And here it is, the short description. And here it is, a longer description. A template is used. You can choose concise one or benefit-led or e-commerce type. And for all 3, meta description is updated based on this description. As you saw that I did that. And here too you can update one prefix. That is shown after this vertical bar. And in the single instance, there was also one suffix that is the same. And there's also import CSV or sample CSV. Sample CSV gives you an example file, which you can download and change that, and then update these product values by importing that CSV here. And here in the preview, each row is shown in the preview. Like if I click on the second row, it will be updated for the second row. And for third, it will be updated. You can also change this by hitting this next and previous button. And there is also export CSV button. You can hit download, and it will download this into the format of CSV here. And one thing I forgot to tell you is that if you don't know CSV, it's just like Excel file, but it is a much more readable. So you can open this CSV in your Excel and further edit that using Microsoft Copilot or Google Gemini if you open that in Google Spreadsheet. And I think I cover everything about this. Free tool, and if you scroll, you'll be seeing multiple examples how to use this tool and what are the definitions, and everything is given. That's all. By the way, I am building this pin flow app which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.